Hi guys, so now I'm doing an unboxing. Yay! Oh my god, my husband is very busy in packing, so I just do the quick unboxing for you guys. Okay, so this is, you guys already know, I already admired these three balls Dior in a long time, and this is it. By the way, I'm in Berlin now, and I just shopped in the Kadewe Plaza. It's a huge plaza and you can get any brand you want. Actually, I'm looking for a Hermes Constance and a Hermes Kelly belt, but they said no, we don't have it, like usual. Cool. So here's the three balls, guys. Oh my god, so excited. Oopsie. Aduh. So I just wear it now, and now we are going to have a dinner, and tomorrow we are going back to our hometown. Yeah. So here you go. Okay. And now, ta-da! Ding, 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 ding. So it's written Dior. So let me open it. Ding, 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 ding. Wow. So here you go. It's written Dior sticker. Nice packaging, right? And here's the belt. You guys guess what it is? So they're only available for these two colors, the black and the white one. So I choose the black, of course. I'm not a careless person, and it's more safe for me to just pick the black one. So this is my new bag. Ta-da! Because I cannot get the Hermes Constance, so this is to replace it. Ta-da! There's so many gold color, right? Gold, gold, gold here, and also this one gold everything is about gold. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.